is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned vehicles. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover. It's not clear to me what vehicle you are looking for. We have SUVs, we have sedans, we have everything but trucks. We have the Santa Fe Sport, the Tucson. The Tucson and the Santa Fe Sport actually are 2 rows. The Santa Fe, regular Santa Fe is 3 rows, so that's a nice change up. I'm not sure again what you're looking for. Then we have the Accent, we have the Velociter, we have the Sonata, we have the Genesis, which is also the G80. We have so many to choose from. What I need you to do is to give me a call at 205-380-6250. Again, the phone number here is 205-380-6250. Or feel free to call me on my cell phone, because you can text me as well. And that number is 205-702-1029. And here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. I know I'll see you soon.